Hi, hello, and welcome back to JDP channel. This time we'll be seeing about these Chinese 59 banned apps from India, and we'll be seeing the untold truth about these 59 apps. Just wait and watch. The first app is about TikTok, which is a very famous app which everybody knows, and it takes a lot of time to make a single perfect video, so it will be wasting a lot of your valuable time. And the second thing is most of the videos are lip synced, so we don't know who's doing the dubbing for the videos. And thirdly, it grabs a lot of power of scrolling down and down and down from your mobile, so it was banned due to this security reasons. The second app is ShareIt app, which we all know, which was used for video and file transfer in a public place where it is not safe, and in a cyber cafe there are some cyber criminals might be present, which is a lesser safer app to be used in public places, and this is the reason it has been banned. The next one is Kwai app, which we all know it is created for entertainment purposes, and it was not intended for learning, so the students might have been wasting a lot of time on this. And creating short videos with cool effects is really very tough, and the videos could not be violent references. The videos contain provocative content, and this was the reason this app was banned. The next app is about UC browser app, which we all know it was a browsing app, and a lot of stupid ads which comes in between this browsing. And though the browser was faster and it got completely secure data, and when I was using it from a personal experience, it got jumped out of Google and it went into some other age restricted website. So it's a very risky app, and this was the reason it was banned. The next one is about Shein app, which we all know it was created for the women's online garment purchase, and is not actually really the high quality level of material which they wanted, which they got on the app, and there's a lot of risk of discomfort for women from where they used to have some see-through material sold on this website, so it was banned for this security reasons. The next app is about Clash of the Kings app, which has been designed for the kids, and it has been very addictive to them, and it is a very play to win the game app, and there is very little way of the story, and there are very player killers in it. It is very risky for the kids to use it, and it has been banned for the security reasons. The next one is Baidu Map app, which we all know it is used to browse maps, and it was downloaded through Google Pay, and now it is not there. The reason is the lot of things are in Chinese version and cannot be converted to English, and this map cannot be changed by Baidu. It is only uploaded, and the language is very certain webpage is not determined by Baidu, so it is not very safe to use this app. The next app is Do Battery app, which we all know, which stresses the CPU, which in turn weakens the battery. Secondly, the app itself keeps running in the background, which drains your battery very fast, and it needs to process data for this app. And also it is very heavier task that need to be the CPU power is not available as the battery saver app is running in the background always. So due to these reasons it was banned. The next app is about the Hello app, which we all know it has been used mostly in WhatsApps to send forward videos and download videos and send, and they had sent it some making money through Hello app, and I don't think anybody made money from Hello apps, so it was also banned due to the security reasons. The next app is about YouCam makeup app, which was made for kids of 9 years of age and above, and this was already been making into some taking some selfie cameras and magic makeovers, which is not useful for the kids, and they were most of the time wasting their time using these apps, and it was also deleted for some security reasons. The next app is about Likee app. So we all know these apps was created for a lot of making videos and posting them, and this is absolutely has no sense of moderation, and you let anyone post the videos, and comments are not very offensive for the girls and women, and this app was reported for sexual content, and this was the reason it has been banned for some security reasons. The next app is about MI app, which we all know the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is the MeitY, has invoked its power and under Section 16A of the Indian Information Technology Act of 2000, which specifies the procedures and safeguards for blocking the access of information by the public. And this was the reason this app was restricted and banned for some security reasons. The next one is about CM browser app, which is a browser app we all know, developed by the CM team, and we used to download from Google Play. And by installing these apps, you may want to check your history of browsing, because this app remembers all your passwords in whichever site you have entered. And before uninstalling this app, please check whichever sites you entered and saved your passwords, because all these passwords have been monitoring on the website you have been verified and visited. So this is the reason it has been banned. The next app is Apex browser app, which is a browsing app we all know, and it has been downloaded through some third-party APK files. So APK files might have viruses, and it is very risky to use downloading from third-party files, and it is very risky because it gets automatically updated through Google, and this was the reason it has been banned. The next one is about Virus Cleaner app, and this app was deleted for some security reasons, because it was not it was using most of our data to transfer the information, and I don't think it was doing the actually mobile cleaning work. So there are a lot of apps for mobile for cleaning them viruses like Avast, Norton and McAfee. So there are a lot of other apps other than this. So it is not a safety app. The next app is about Romvi app, which we all know it was created similar to Shein app, like selling fashion jewelry and garments for women, and it has less collection than Shein, and this was also deleted for some security reasons, which is not very safer for being used by women. The next app is about Club Factory app, which we all know it was not worth in purchasing from these kind of apps, and there's mostly people have had a lot of complaints about the product differ from the photo they are displayed in the site, and there is no proper way of money refunding also. There is a lot of waste of money and time. So this was the reason this app was being deleted. The next app is the NewsDog app, which we all know it has been deleted from Google Play Store, and this app was deleted for some security reasons and integrity of the country. The next app is Beauty Plus app, which we all know it was created for women, and it was very famous for the selfie set it has for correcting the skin tones and brightening their smiles and all hair brushing away. It has a lot of brightening smiles and swimming all features, and it was not very useful for women, and it has been banned because of the security reasons. The next app is about the WeChat app, which we all know they've been using for chatting with their friends and their neighbor friends. This was very banned for security reason, because it was stealing all your personal data, and there's a chance of your photo getting misused. This was the reason it was banned. The next app is about UC News app, and this has not been updated, and it was removed for some security reasons. The next app is QQ email app, which is similar to gmail.com and yahoo.com or outlook.com, and it was removed for some security reasons, because it was mostly used in China and parts of Asia, and it was not very safe for us. The next one is Zender app, which is a popular file transfer app for Android phones, and it was banned because initially it was monetizing through a lot of ads, and in between will be disturbance. There are a lot of disturbance because of ads in this app, and it was deleted for some security reasons. The next app is about QQ Music app, which was installed on Android phones for music lovers, and it has been deleted due to some security reasons. The next app is Bigo Live app, which has been used for kids and students to have a live streaming video with their unknown strangers chatting app, and it was very risky because their photos and their data could be stolen through this chatting, and it has been deleted and banned for some security reasons. The next app is about Selfie City app, where it has been used for women, where you take a lot of selfies and you have some lot of makeups through these apps, and there's a risk of your personal data and photos and images to be stolen, and it was banned for the security reasons.